Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So today I'm going to introduce you to the Glaminator. So the Glaminator actually does lamination just like a standard laminator, but it has another setting that you can actually foil things. So I'm going to foil a print today, and I actually have 4 different mason jar prints, and I will link in the description below to a link to get all 4 of those for free, and you can download those, and then you can just print them, or you can print them and laminate them and add that foil so you can see sort of the foil look to the print. I use like a pink foil, but there's tons of different colors of foil and all kinds of things you can do once you have the Glaminator. Not just mason jar prints, but tons of other prints as well, so kind of the sky's the limit. So let's take a look first at how to use the Glaminator. The first thing you'll need when working with the Glaminator is a laser print. So this is made on a laser printer. You could also get like copies made at maybe Office Depot or somewhere like that, and they would be made on a laser copy machine, which would also give you the same effect. So the toner in the laser is actually going to act like an adhesive. And then you'll need your foil. So the foil itself, I'm using the Glaminator foil, comes in a wide range of colors. Now you will need either the Glaminator foil or another foil that works with adhesive, because as the toner melts, it acts like an adhesive. So be careful on the type of foil you have. And then we have the Glaminator itself. It actually has 3 settings. So we have the off, and then we have cold lamination, warm lamination, and glamination as the last one. So the glamination is actually warmer, and I have it heating up. So you need to let it heat for about 5 minutes before you start to use it. And then with the Glaminator, there also comes this protective sleeve, and we'll be adding our pieces to it, but it actually does come with the machine itself. And I'm going to be using this pink foil. We'll need to get as much foil as will cover our print. So because this foil is not as wide as our print, well, it almost is. We can probably just lay it across. If it's not as wide as your print, then you can just lay 2 sheets, and they can overlap, and it will be fine when it runs through the Glaminator. Alright, so once I have this open, then we just need to lay the foil itself. So it's shiny side up. So there'll be a dull side and a shiny side. You want it shiny side up right on your print. And then you can just cut this with regular scissors. And then we'll just add it to our carrier here. Then we can just run the entire thing through the Glaminator. And as you insert it, it will start to pull. And then you can just hands off, and it'll go ahead and pull it on through the Glaminator. Then after it goes all the way through, it will be warm, so you want to be careful when you remove it from the Glaminator itself. And you might want to let it cool just a few seconds before touching it. So I'm just going to kind of remove it from this carrier sheet carefully. And then you can start peeling back, and you don't have to wait to peel back. Just make sure that it doesn't burn your fingers as you touch it, and then you can start peeling back and seeing that gorgeous foil on your print. So I'm using it with some mason jars, and I will drop a link for those in the description below, but you can use it for any print that you print on a laser printer, and it will work with the Glaminator. So now you've seen how to use the Glaminator, and you see how easy it is to make foil on any laser print. So just print that on a laser copy machine or a laser printer that you use at home, run it through the Glaminator with your choice of colors of foil, and you have a gorgeous print that you can hang in your home, or you can use this for like business cards for an extra special touch. There's so many options, cards, you know, paper crafts, that type of thing. So many options that you can use the Glaminator for. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the Glaminator. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about anything we've covered today, anything about the Glaminator, leave those in the comment section below. You can head to the description below. You can get a link where you can download the print I showed today, as well as 3 other mason jar prints. I'll also be linking a few other things there that I've made with the Glaminator, so you can see those as well. You might also want to head on over to YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button if you like all things crafty, and scroll back and watch a few videos because I know there's going to be something that you'll love. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week with a fun video. Thanks y'all. Bye-bye.